Fourth question, the period t of a simple pendulum depends on its length and the acceleration due to gravity g. Using dimensional analysis, which of the following expression is t could represent using this relationship? Okay, so now if you know the question and if you are aware of the answer, then it becomes easy for you. We know that t is equal to 2 pi into root of L by g. Comparing this, you can directly say the answer is A. Okay, but let us say you are not aware of this. How do you get this one here? Okay, sometimes you go to the exam and you forget what to do it. Then what you do is you do it by this method. Okay, so now what is given here? So there are 4 options over here, and using dimensional analysis you need to determine this. Now let us take up L by g first. See, this k is a constant. Don't worry about this over here. This a root of L by g is there. Root of L by g you take. Okay, what is L? L has a unit meter. And what is g? G has a unit meter per second square. This meter goes away. This should be square root of second square. Now what is the square root of second square? Second over here. Thus the answer should be second, and t is also measured in seconds. So therefore A should be your right answer. Probably if this is here, okay, then what you will do is you will do for each and everything and then finally get the answer. Okay.